Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. I have another package from Yensa. Received one, and this is another package right here. Let's see what we have in here. I didn't know about this one. I knew I was getting a PR package, but I didn't know I was getting two. So there's just a card showing some products. There's, you know, little Yensa paper here. And there's 3 products in here. Let's see what we have. Just going to move you out off my table here. I don't know what to do here. So the first one that I'm going to try, or show you, from Yensa is the Super Serum Silk Press Powder Foundation. Nice. Is there a shade? I don't know. Medium 1, it says on the side. Let's see if that's any good for me. I don't know. Usually medium is good if it's like, you know, like a medium neutral, medium light sometimes. Beautiful. I love their packaging. Love their packaging. Is it magnetic? I can never figure out how to open these. It feels like it, but I don't know how to open this. My fingers are not working today for some reason. Oh, okay. Oh, it had some glue on it. Why did it have glue? It actually had some glue on it. You can see it has a little mirror to like hold it closed. You can see the sticky glue. I'll have to wipe that off. So that's the shade. It does have a mirror. I'll put my little finger in it. Well, that feels nice. Let's see. So there it is right there. I'm going to put it over like a little bit of a blue area on my hand. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is going to be nice. You really can't see it. I mean, like I put it over on this side of my hand, and it actually does dull down the blue veins in my hand. I have very, well, I'm black and blue from an IV, but it does dull that down. And I don't think, I mean, I do not have like severe dark under my eye to try to cover or too much discoloration on my face, but it's always nice to even your skin tone out. I think that's wonderful. I am so excited to try that. I will get the glue off because that is kind of sticky. Oh, that is actually very pretty. It feels nice. Has no scent. Sometimes makeup has scent. I really do like that. Ooh, I might have to try that tomorrow. I have lots of Yensa products to try. Maybe I'll do them. Maybe we'll do a Get Ready With Me. You never know. Yensa Super Serum Silk Cream Blush. And I have Vibrant Coral. We'll have to see about that. Let me open it from this end where I don't have to slip the tape. Oh, maybe I will slip the tape. I can't even get into these. You know what? It's slit down there too. All right, we're going to just slip the tape and go in the right way. Everything is nicely sealed. We'll just open it this way. Try to close that box back up. So this is, once again, beautiful packaging. Vibrant Coral. Is there glue on that? No. Nice mirror. That's pretty. It's a little orangey, but it might work fine. Oh, that feels so nice. So there it is right there. Let's see what you look like. Oh, you're bright. You're bright. Blendable. It's a nice soft cream. I mean, you can definitely, you know, shear that out if you want, and I can keep on playing with it. I need to get this off my finger. Oh, I'm excited to try that too. I like I said, I love their packaging. I love they have mirrors so that, you know, you can just, if you're away or touching up, if you're out, you can, I don't think I need this for this. Let me just open this one and then I'll show you what it is. So this is Super Serum Silk Concealer. Ooh, wow, they went all out here. And this is in, I have no idea. Is this like medium? This is, the print is so small. Medium 1, I think it says again. No, I don't know if that says, yeah, it does say medium 1. So let's see. Very nice packaging. The same, you know, Yensa symbol at the top right here. Let's give this a try. I'm excited to try this. I don't think I have. So let's bring that over here. Like the doe foot, it feels nice. So it's right there. So it is definitely brighter than the foundation, which, you know, most people do want brighter for under their eye. Blends in beautifully. You know, I don't know how it would wear, but anything that says like serum under your eyes that has skincare properties in it, in my opinion, helps. You know, while you're wearing your makeup, you have some skincare. That feels so nice. Ooh. I can't speak of its longevity. Does it crease? You know, does it cover? I don't know. I will. So far, like my hand, like I said, I have very blue veins and very pronounced veins in my hands. And that's like covering to the point where it's not covering because they're so blue. I mean, you could even see it in my wrist. They're just very, very blue and like juicy veins there, and they always stick out, especially in my hands. But that feels nice on my hand, and it's putting a nice coverage there. So I'm curious to try it under my eyes. I'm going to need that a lot in the next week or so, and that will be something I will, you know, address, you know, later on in the month. Just cannot speak of it just yet. So let me know what you think of this package. I'm excited. More great products from Yensa. So thank you to Yensa for so kindly sending these over for me. So everything is medium 1, and then the blush is Vibrant Coral. Right here, nice little PR package from them. I'm loving it. Yensa is a wonderful brand. Love, love, love. You know, I have their, I don't know if I can grab it. And I have a backup that they sent to me. I love this. This is medium neutral. Their foundation. I have their primer. And I do wear the primer and the foundation together because they work well together. I know I have some Yensa lip products and things like that. So maybe I'll try some of the newer stuff that I received. And at least, even if it's not the base, you know, I already have that on. I can show you like the blush and using, you know, maybe the concealer and things of that nature. But I could try this foundation and we'll see how that is. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I hope to see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.